Welcome to Wafago Vunla Rating Club. This is where we meet every Saturday morning between 10 and 12.
I know you love tomatoes, but then tomatoes do not belong to us. Answer Daniela. Uthi yanazi ngazithanda tomato nesifela ngetomato. Kodwa ezi tomato ayizo zethu and kindly sizicela wrong lento esenzayo. My name is Kulele. I've been working with Wafago since last year as a volunteer. The most challenging part that we're currently facing is the participation from the community. You know, when there's a participation from the community, they are getting the push from their parents, from their brothers and sisters, you know, that encouraging push. The last time that the kid will hear read aloud is only when they come in. After that, they don't have a read aloud, they don't have anyone to tell stories to them, so they are solely depending into the club.
But before Ntombi could finish her sentence, her mother was already giving her a list of things to do while she was at Tabiso's house.
So what I can suggest is if we can have them here, especially our parents, because once their parents are here, they become more motivated. You know, they go far beyond. So if we can get that into their minds and into their hearts, the parents of the or the siblings and the parents of these kids, then for me, that will be a major solution. In our homes, our parents used to tell us stories that will motivate us, that will encourage us. You know, if they can do that, and not only here, but also at home, then that will build our children, that will bring more love in our community. I'm sure they can see.
The end.